set up some rough material in my lathe here, and I'm just going to machine about a 6-inch section. The diameter doesn't matter, and we're going to measure at both ends and see what type of taper we have over the length of that 6 inch. This end we have 1.485. And this end we have 1.149. So the taper we're cutting is 500 thousandths. I don't know if that's a massive amount, but I'm going to check the level of the lathe because I think we can do a lot better than that. The lathe should be level. And I'm going to use an 8-inch machinist square to do that. So I'm going to check at this end first. We're got to bring the back of it up or the front of it down. And the other end, just bear with all the jiggles and jaggles. It's about the same type of issue. I'm going to bring it down because it's easier for me to get at the front of the lathe right now. And let's see if I can at least just get to an even, pick an even mark. It doesn't matter, I just want both things to be the same. Be nice to get it perfecto, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. That end looks pretty good. We keep the process on the other side. I'm only interested in the weights being parallel to themselves. I don't really care if it's... See the quality of our work, and I'm having a light issue, but it looks like we're pretty damn good there. Come to this end. We're pretty good there, so hopefully the slight taper I was getting is no longer there. 500th of a thousandth, so it's not too much, but I'll bring this up so we can see final dimensions of the machining markings. This end we got 1.132. The 2 is kind of subjective because I wasn't using my micrometer, and that was pretty close to 1.322. So now the way each way is relatively level to each other, so there's no warp within the ways. That's what I was concerned with. As the carriage moves down, it's going to move away from the chuck, was going to move towards the chuck depending on which way the roll and the ways were. So the bed is very level right now, so I should get reasonable results in terms of dimension.